Welcome back. Well, I guess it was too much to ask for another sunny day after 1.5 sunny days.
Right, I know. It was such a nice Sunday, wasn't it? I think so many people took the opportunity to just enjoy it while we had it because they knew what would take place today. So, yeah, I do promise you more dry and sunny weather down the road, just not today, not tomorrow. And it looks like it could be pretty soggy outside, especially tomorrow with that tropical moisture. And, you know, tropical moisture is going to bring some downpours, maybe even a few thunderstorms. So let's actually start things off by looking at the overall Atlantic Basin here and the tropics just in general. At this point, it's scaled back in terms of activity. We have now 2 tropical depressions in Florence, which is obviously onshore right now, working its way north, and then also Joyce, which keeps hanging on. It's not actually going to amount to anything in terms of any land issues, but it's still out there, so worthy of a mention. Meanwhile, there's this guy. Can't even really see it all that well, but there is an area of disturbed weather, we'll call it, some showers and thunderstorms with a mere 1 in 10 shot of development in the next 2, if not 5 days. So that doesn't look like it'll be a likely threat anytime soon, but it's south of Cuba currently. Here, meanwhile, is Florence and its remnants working their way north. Very heavy rain associated with this, obviously, down around Virginia and working its way north. So we are going to start to see some of that precip picking up. Well, it's already, in fact, doing that, especially in the north and westmost counties, like up in Bethlehem, for example. I just saw it raining up in our Bethlehem camera. But then there is this frontal boundary that eventually joins up with the remnants of Florence, and because it is weakening, that's actually going to help sweep up the moisture and get it out of here. So it's no longer a United States concern. For us, however, you're easily talking about at least an inch of rain out of this. So this is 2 p.m. today, working its way forward over the next 2 days. These future rain amounts, it's important to note, are model data, but we're easily looking at an inch out of this. And frankly, I won't be shocked if those amounts end up getting a little exceeded here as some of the heaviest moisture comes in. So basically, you're talking about scattered but locally drenching showers. I wouldn't chance it and not have your umbrella on hand. Meanwhile, when we take a look outside here at the mountains, that fog has settled in. That's been a bit of a running theme in some spots anyway since this morning. But just keep in mind, in the valleys and also in the mountains, you may encounter a little bit of fog out there. There's just so much moisture up in the atmosphere right now that's helping to allow that to form. Meanwhile, the rip current risk is also better. It was high all week last week. Now it's down to moderate. I would still be very wary about jumping in the waves at this point unless you're a trained swimmer. But even then, moderate risk of rip currents, it's enough that I'd say don't chance it and just wait this out. It's not the best beach day anyway. Taking a look, though, at the Phil's forecast, shouldn't need the tarp for the next couple of hours, but there will likely be a couple of showers at least around for the Phil's. First pitch at 7:05 and 76 degrees, so it'll stay pretty mild throughout. And also quite muggy as well. So again, not the best night at the ballpark, but I think they'll get the game in. Now we take a look ahead here in the 7-day, and I promised you some dry, clear weather. Here it is. Once we hit Wednesday, the front that is responsible for helping to sweep Florence's moisture away has done its job. Even though we're not really cooling down all that much, the humidity begins to drop off and the sun comes back, so that looks a lot better. Thursday also pretty nice. Finally, some nice weather for a Temple home game, and a new front comes then for Friday night.
Of course it does.
Of course it does.
Thank you, Katie.